kakain. Come with me on my another travel vlog. And today, we're going outside Bangkok, which is Khao Yai, Thailand. So this is actually 2 to 3 hours from Bangkok, and we book our private customizable day tour in Khao Yai here in Kluk. You can actually customize kung saan kayo pupunta sa Khao Yai. There are suggested tourist spots that they will be recommending. And it's up to you if susundin nyo yung itinerary that they are suggesting, or you can search on your own and inform them on the itinerary that you want. And also, 8 hours yung default na time niya. And then if you extended, of course, may additional pay na yun, which is I think 300 baht per hour. In our case, we departed at our hotel, which is Picnic Hotel, around 8 a.m. And nakarating kami 2 hours yung biyahe. So, hindi naman traffic sa daan. So, dyang malayo lang talaga siya. So, more or less, pag umalis kayo ng maaga, mas okay siya. Normally, 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes siya. But on our case, bumiyahe kami ng around mga 2 hours. Our first stop is Primo Piazza. There is an entrance fee of 200 baht per person, and you can actually pay at the counter upon arrival. No need for you to book any tickets in advance. Just go at Primo Piazza and pay at the counter. Pagpasok nyo, is ganito yung makikita nyong vibe. And also, there is actually a cafe and restaurant here. So, if medyo nagutom kayo sa biyahe or you need refreshments, meron sila dito. On our case, we didn't try any of it since we arrived, nabusog pa naman kami. Actually, sobrang init, pero maganda naman. Chill lang sila. Donkey ata ito eh. Yan. Hello! Ganda rin ng flowers. Grabe. Very aesthetic dito. Ayan. And pwede rin kayong magpakain. Dito yung part na yon. Pwedeng magpakain. So, check natin. This is Primo Piazza. Ayan. So, we're here actually. Hindi ko pa pala na-intro. Pero nandito kami ngayon sa Khao Yai. It's actually around 2 hours hanggang 2 hours and 30 minutes yung biyahe. Medyo malayo. Pero okay naman dito kasi hindi ganun ka-traffic. Maaga kaming umalis. Originally, 9 a.m. yung itinerary. Pero pina-adjust namin na, 9 a.m. yung start. Pero pina-adjust namin siya to 8 a.m. So, yan. Look at that! So nice. The vibe here is very peaceful, and there are many spots that you can actually take picture of. So my tip is for you to wear cute outfits so you can take a snaps of different areas here in Primo Piazza. Let's go, pakainin natin. One good thing here in Primo Piazza is you have the chance to have a feeding session or pakainin yung mga alpacas, sheep, and also horses here. It's actually free, so you just have to go to the caretakers there. Kasama na siya sa entrance na fee na binayaran nyo, and you only have one chance or parang one bundle yung ibibigay sa inyo para pakainin yung alpacas, sheep, and horses. This one for you. Uy, wag kayo mag-away. Woo! Hey. One more? One more for you? Mas gutom pala sila eh. Hey. Yeah. Yay, yay. Nakain ba sila nito? Are you eating this one too? Yes! Hi! Uy! Gutom ikaw? Gutom ikaw! Iba naman! Ay, sobrang na-enjoy namin yung time namin here and talagang na-enjoy namin yung pagpipicture dito and look, here's our photos. Next stop is Hokkaido Flower Park, Kaoyai. They have entrance fee of 100 baht per person and nagdi-discount sila for senior. Sabihin nyo lang na senior yung parents nyo or kung sino man na senior na kasama nyo. No need to present ID. Ayan, so upon arrival, you just have to pay for your ticket and then present your ticket upon entering the flower park. I really love this place. Sobrang amazing how the flowers are blooming here, the landscapes and all. Sobrang init nga lang talaga nung pagpunta namin, kaya medyo hagardo na talaga. But the good thing is, talagang worth it ng sceneries and another IG worthy spots that I would really recommend if magtutour kayo to Khao Yai. Actually, dito wala masyadong kainan. So actually, ang itinerary talaga namin would be Trot Cafe or yung Chanville Rancho, nakalimutan ko. Para doon kami kakain. Kaso nauna yung Primo Piazza, I don't know why. Pero baka yun talaga yung route na mas okay. Tapos, from 9 minutes from Primo Piazza, or 9 to 10 minutes, basta mabilis lang, is Hokkaido Flower. Walang kainan dito, mga drinks lang. So, medyo nagutom na kami, pero baka sa next, next destination. Look at the view. Ayoko na mag-picture ingat, pero ito yung view. Look at that. Selfie na lang tayo. Ganda! Ayan, so may free shuttle. Actually, yun yung sinakyan namin. Yan. Nagpa-stop na kami kasi magpipicture kami dun sa kabila. Ayan, free shuttle, kukontakin nyo lang siya ng WhatsApp. There's actually a free shuttle roaming around sa area. So, siguro kung hindi nyo naabutan sa entrance, you just have to wait for your batch para ikutin. So, kung ayaw nyo masyado ng mainit, maglakad-lakad dyan, pwede kayong sumakay sa shuttle. It's actually free. So, iikutin yan kayo. If in the middle gusto nyong magpababa, okay lang naman sa kanila. And then, if ever na magpapasundo na kayo, meron dyang bus stop area kung saan i-chat nyo lang sila sa WhatsApp para magpasundo kayo.
Ito na yung butterfly.
Yun na yun, no? Tama. Baba na tayo dito. Ha?
Hindi, pagpapalik na to.
Ayan. So, yan na yung mga flowers. Ayan. Not sure if lavender yan. Ganda. Look at that. Kahit mainit, ano sila, blooming talaga. And maraming parts yun ah. Okay, it's time to picture kahit ingat. Kailangan natin magmadali. Okay. And now, of course, hindi tayo papayag na wala tayong picture time. Papatalo ba ang mga parentals? Ayan, may entry din sila. And picture time! Ganda! Look, 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 look! Look at this. Wow! Look at the view. At dito maasimoy ang hangin kesa yung maligamgam sa Bangkok. Third stop is Toscana Valley. Actually, isa to sa una kong nakita kung bakit talagang ginusto kong pumunta ng Khao Yai kami. So from Hokkaido Flower is we travel 20 minutes from there and dito na rin tayo magla-lunch actually. Okay, so today nasa may Toscana Valley tayo. Ay, nadulas pa. Come on, come on. Look at that view. Diba? Ang ganda, sakto lang yung dating natin. And ito, actually para siyang Europe vibe. Look at that. Parang Leaning Tower of Pisa. Pero hindi ko alam kung leaning. Parang hindi naman siya leaning. Ayan. So, explore natin siya. Medyo malaki siya. So, take pictures there. Take pictures dito, dito, dito. So, sakto yung dating natin. Medyo makulimlim lang. Very European yung vibe niya. Like, are we really in Thailand? Yan. Maraming kainan. So, parang maganda tumambay dito hanggang gabi. Kaso masyadong malayo siya. Feeling ko later 3 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes or hanggang 3 hours yung biyahe. So, ayan. Ganda. Also, I will not recommend doing this na DIY lang. Talagang need nyo ng private tour to really go here. Wala akong masyadong nakitang public vehicles like trains and others. So, talagang need talaga ng dayuhin and need ng private car to really go here. We didn't get a chance to really maximize the place and try their other attractions since day tour nga lang kami. Kumain at nag-picture lang kami here but I'll say worth it to go here, another picture spot again. Grabe, para kaming nasa private resort. Wala masyadong tao dito. Wala masyadong tao kasi malayo talaga din. Pero okay naman din yung biyahe. Actually, okay siya kasi naka-private car kami from Klook. So, ayan. Ang nakalagay dun sa Klook is private, customized, Khao Yai tour. So, this is Khao Yai. Umiinit, nagkukulimlim. Pero mas refreshing yung hangin dito kaysa sa Bangkok. Would you look at that? Wow, the view. Ito yung mga activities nila. So, baka natin. Actually, may resort siya. Roman pool. Ganda. Playground, cycling, golf. Oh, may golf din. Cycling. Nice. May infinity pool. Medyo malaki siya. Actually, malaki siya. So, bike shop. Asan tayo? Okay. Private dining. Sarap yung fried rice. Ganun talaga na magluto ng itlog na. Chicken. Sobrang liit. Ang mahal lang ng mga bilihin dito. Kasi nga malayo. Mahal niya, 250 baht for a coffee and also a shake. This is the whole view. That's the view. Look, may mga koi fish dyan. Ayan.
Ganda. Parang ano lang. Fairness ka sa itlog.
Last stop for our Khao Yai tour is Rancho Charn V Club. This is the highlight of this trip actually. Sobrang surreal ng place, napaka-relaxing ng vibe, and maa-amaze ka on this place. It's a ranch where you can actually see horses and donkeys, roam around the area, and take lots of aesthetic pictures. What's cute here and sobrang na-enjoy namin is you can rent these vintage cars and roam around the area kasi malaki siya and nakakapagod if maglalakad lang kayo. On our case, we rented this vintage car for 800 baht for 30 minutes na yon. Here are also their rates for other cars, so take a look. It's actually quite pricey, so what we did is we drove it inside, then we stopped a bit to take turns taking pictures, of course. Then in just a snap, actually, ang bilis natapos ng 30 minutes. So we have to return the car na. Di kami masyadong nakapaglibot sa area, yung kumbaga nasa bungad lang kami, hindi na namin narating yung nasa dulo. Kasi ayaw namang naming maglakad kasi mainit at nakakapagod na. Last stop na siya ng Khao Yai tour namin. So di na namin super nalibot. But I say, worth it pa rin talaga siya. Then after a while, we rested for a bit and went to their cafe, which is the Trot Cafe. We tried their beverages, quite pricey also as well. Well, given na medyo malayo din kasi talaga yung lugar. And I say, so-so lang siguro yung drinks din nila. Siguro ma-enjoy mo siya kapag you're tired and also really thirsty. So, okay din naman. We didn't try their other food and pastries na since pauwi na rin talaga kami. Nag-take out na lang kami ng drinks nila and iinumin yun pauwi na. So, sa biyahe na siya kasi malayo-layo rin talaga yung biyahe. And that's a wrap for our Khao Yai day tour. It's actually my third time in Thailand, but I can say that this tour is one of my favorite places in Thailand and highly recommended to go here, ha. Here's our overall Khao Yai day tour itinerary. You can take a snap and copy our itinerary. I actually planned a different order but our driver tweaked the order a bit and I must say, they know best actually. Kasi yung stop namin is saktong-sakto sa weather and yung order kung gaano kayo ka-fresh and gaano na kayo kahula sa tour. If you appreciate this video, please give a little nudge. I am new on this field and my family and I loves traveling lately. So I thought, why not document everything and have a digital diary, then share my travel tips and guides to all of you. You can also comment which part of this tour you want to go to as well. Next up is our Pattaya tour. See ya! Ciao!